So data volumes and also demands on the computational literacy for biotechnologists have been dramatically growing in recent years. And Excel-based analysis of data is no longer sufficient as workflows need to be automated in the industry.
In this course, you'll learn how to keep up with the rising demands on computational and automation skills, and how to spend more time on solving your research problems.
The biotech industry is fighting over the limited pool of people that already possess those demanded computational skills.
When people think of computer programming, they are often scared and think this is something that only computer scientists and other specialists can acquire.
The solution to this is to adopt a sufficient level of computational skills so that you can solve challenging data and automation problems.
And it has never been easier to pick up programming skills.
Programming languages like Python offer a much flatter learning curve and come with batteries included.
Which means that you can rely on a wealth of pre-existing functionality for data analysis and automation.
So let's get you started.